Hello there, this is Tech House channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about the iPhone 13 leaks. So the 2021 iPhone lineup will be called as iPhone 12s. This is just a leak, or it may be called as iPhone 13. Besides that, iPhone 13 will have 120Hz of high refresh rate LTPO display. The 2021 iPhone lineup will have always on display features, which could show you the useful information like time, battery percentage, or other notifications. The Pro model of iPhone 13 will be portless. It can be charged only through MagSafe. MagSafe will be getting stronger this year. It is rumored that the 2021 iPhone lineup will introduce vapor cooling system, which will fix the overheating issues in the iPhones for the first time in iPhone 13 lineup. Apple is continuously working on under-display fingerprint scanner. This time Apple may introduce optical under-display fingerprint scanner in iPhone 13 lineup. These are the recent leaks of iPhone 13. If you love watching this type of video, make sure to subscribe to us and press the bell icon. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.